Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find the restricted message on your Facebook Messenger, or how to find the restricted account in your Facebook Messenger. First of all, I'm going to show you how to restrict an account on Messenger. So I'm going to restrict now this account. Just press on here on this account. Next at the bottom of the side, you can find here restrict. If you restrict someone, they cannot text you, they cannot call you, so everything will be like ignore. Now you can see that there is no message, and I restricted it. Now I am going to show how you can find a restricted message, or how you can find a restricted account. At the top of the site, you can find here that is profile button. Just click on here profile button. Then scroll down and you can find here that is privacy. Click on privacy and safety. Next you can find a 3 option that is message delivery blocked account, restricted account. So just click on restricted account. Now you can see I restricted those account. You can find here those messages are restricted. So you can unrestrict them, just click on here. Then you can find him unrestricted. So just click on here. You can see that this message is unrestricted. Thanks watching this video.